girlies, welcome back to the channel. We are here today with a brand new unboxing. I feel like I maybe did like one of these as a one-off like 1,000 years ago, but we are back, and because like I feel like Instagram tends to just like not show you certain people for a long time, and then I got like one of their videos on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I forgot about these guys. Which Casket? And I was like going through their page and everything looks so cute and I was like, oh my god. So that reminded me of that, and now we have a lovely box that they very kindly sent me. I don't know, this might be February's box because I had like mentioned really liking that one, or was it? I don't know. I won't know until I open it. But yeah, let me know if you would like to see this more regularly on the channel because I think it'll be really cute. So this is like one of two like witchy unboxings that I've done on the channel before, and this one is based in the UK. So we are gonna open on up. Ooh, oh yes, okay, this is the one I thought it was. Oh, it's so cute. It's all very naturey, and you know how I love the nature. Oh, ooh! I think this is like the little thing that tells you everything that's in there. Oh, it's all very official. I love that. Okay. Like, just look at the art. It's so cute. Ah. Okay. Obviously not going to look at it until I've looked at everything else because we don't like spoilers here. No, we don't. This is, oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, so the side is like a cute little card. We got a key. We got some acorns. I sort of have like a leather backpack like this, but I don't know where it is. I'm really scared it got lost in the move or something. But I want just like an adventure bag. We've got curly little ferns, some mushrooms, a little like pot of jam or something, a very nice beetle. A cool bottle with like a fern leaf in it, a little Polaroid, some crystals, and a spell book. I love this. And then the other side, it has monthly manifestations. So it says like you can write in your own things. So we've got, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I, oh yeah, I was like, was that the same again? No, practical and magical. What magical steps can I take to reach these goals? And I just think that, lovely. Okay. Ah! What is this? Cute. So this is a Bury It ritual kit. Contains all you need to help let go of what no longer serves. So it's in this little pouch. And I guess we'll open this up and see, but I don't want to rip the nice sticker. Can I do it without fucking the sticker? Don't know why I'm so excited. Like, what am I gonna do? Just hang on to this like crumpled sticker now? But ooh, okay. We have a black spell candle. Sachet number 1 appears to be some sort of herbs. Ooh. Sachet number 2. I don't know. And then a little piece of paper. And then we've got this. All of the art and oh, I didn't even see the other side. So all of the art is just so well thought out. This is so cute. My memory's crap, but I feel like, I swear I did do an unboxing of this a really long time ago. From what I can remember, they have like stepped up their game. This is mad. Okay, so, kit includes piece of paper. So the first pouch is yarrow for clearing negativity. The second one is rose hips for healing, black spell candle for banishing negativity, and then you'll also need a pen/pencil, candle holder, fireproof bowl. Take your piece of paper and note down anything from the past which no longer serves you and you'd like to leave behind. Light the candle. Burn the paper in a fireproof dish stating the following: I let you go on and move free, as I will it, so mote it be. Set the candle in a suitable holder, meditate as it burns down. Feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter. And then, once the candle's burned down, you blend the ashes from the paper, which signify the remnants of your past, counterclockwise with the yarrow and rosehip. Take them outdoors and bury them. Visualize burying your past issues and leaving them where they can no longer weigh on you. That's very sweet. I like that a lot. I'm gonna pop this all back in the little bag so it's all together. Woohoo! Oh my god, this honestly would actually be very helpful. So this is like a little notepad, and I assume this is like to go along with like herbs and stuff that you've collected. So there's little sections for the moon phase, and you can actually color it in because it's like a little bit, you can color in what it looks like. Date, time, season, location, herb/plant/flower name, magical properties / uses, and notes. I love that. And actually, I was at the storage unit and I unearthed like my box full of like herbs, candles, but like all of that stuff, you know, from the unboxings that I used to do a lot on this channel. And I've been seeing like organizing them and stuff, but the problem is I cannot remember the correspondences of anything, and I'm like, I need some sort of system. I need like a library so I can like have all my herbs and what they like represent and stuff. I've got like a little box for them all now, so I know I need to alphabetize them, but yeah, I need some sort of system for actually knowing what everything does. So this is very cute for anything that I gather. Bottles. For my trinkets. So this is Witch Casket mini altar bottle set. The green is for abundance, success and growth, brown is for grounding, stability and practical matters, and clear is for any use. So let's look at the box. I almost dislike how cute all the packaging is because I'm going to want to keep it. I'm going to want to hoard it. And I'm like, I don't need to keep all the packaging, but I want to keep all the packaging. Oh, cute. Any little bottles or anything of the sort will always make me very happy. Here we go. Cute. It's almost like a little Irish flag. Very cute. I love bottles. Oh, it's so cute. For digging up your magical plants. Little scoop. Oh, this is adorable. I am obsessed. It's like a little autumn leaf and you can scoop. I don't even know what to say. This is just so cute. There's so much care has gone into all of this. I'm obsessed. Got a little crystal in here. Again, even the little card is just like so perfectly themed. Cute. Moss agate. Stone of emotional balance and growth. Helps to process and understand our emotions and aids with new beginnings. A perfect stone for emotional healing, stability and spiritual grounding. Oh, and it's very nice. Ooh. Lovely. I've got a little scroll of some sort. Ooh, the ring on it's metal. There's like a little guide. Drying plants and fruit for spellcraft. Hell yeah. I really want to do that thing where you dry all the orange slices and like hang them in little garlands. It just looks cute. Oh! Cute. Little mushroom enamel pin. That is so cute. We've got several little sacks in here, which I'm very excited about. Mushroom, a little wooden carved mushroom. That is so cute. This feels like some sort of bowl. Ooh, basket. Ooh, little wicker basket. Gathering set. Delightful bowl and bag for foraging and gathering your magical herbs, leaves, stones, and other small gifts from the earth. Bowl is made from willow, which is known for its strength and useful for magic for renewal, growth, and letting go. That's so cute. And you can bring your little scoop and you can scoop in your little basket. And in the bag. I didn't even see it had stuff on it. Ah, Witch Casket's Green Witch Supplies Gathering Bag. Hell yeah! And then there is one last thing in here. This says Apothecary Herbs. I need more drawers. Ooh, we got a few. Nice, we got bay leaf, very good. Ooh, it says what they're for. Getting ahead of myself. Bay leaf for protection, strength, and good fortune. We've got hibiscus for love, passion, and independence. Lemon balm for healing, love, and spiritual development. Orange peel for attraction, blessings, and abundance. And rosemary for cleansing, healing, and clear thinking. Hell yeah. I wonder if those will fit in my little drawers that I've been using. I'm gonna try. Very good. Oh, okay, that was everything. So let's go through our little, very nice pack. Why am I so excited about the pamphlet? Yes, so this was February. Honouring the craft of the Green Witch. So we got the handcrafted wooden mushroom, yes, made with acacia wood, symbolises growth, wisdom, and the gifts of Mother Nature. Gathering set, delightful bowl and bag for foraging and gathering magical herbs, leaves, stones, and other small gifts from the earth. Okay, that's all the same stuff that the thingy said. Herb selection, yeah, hibiscus, bay leaf, rosemary, orange peel, and lemon balm. Magical mini trowel, beautiful aid to help you in foraging, planting, and burial rituals. Oh yeah, you could use it for the burial. Forager's field notes, yes, that was very cute. Knowing the details of plants, herbs, and other items you forage can help you work more powerful magic. Beautiful notepad will allow you to record the date, time, moon phase, season, and location of each item foraged, along with magical properties and other information you may wish to keep record of. Wonderful. Drying plants and fruit for spellcraft parchment scroll, yes. Mini altar bottle set, yes. Herbs, crystal chips, etc. Bury it ritual kit, yes. Moss agate tumbled stone and info card, yes. Magic of Nature enamel pin, Gifts of Nature under a crescent moon, combine magical accessory, green witchery monthly manifestation art print, All spells and rituals are created by Witch Casket's co-founder Deb, an experienced practicing witch exclusively for Witch Casket. So cute! This was so fun. I so thoroughly enjoyed this unboxing. Everything's just so perfectly thought out and like everything's so well themed. So cute. By the way, not being paid to say any of this, I just got sent a box and I'm excited to open it. And yeah, very, very happy with everything. That was adorable. So I will put the link to Witch Casket down below, along with all of my usual personal links. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Check out my Patreon if you want to join our Discord and have a chat with all the other lovelies and get our monthly newsletter, as well as lots of like, you know, behind the scenes peeks and stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye lovelies!